Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage bhajiya. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 medium cabbage, finely shredded, and 2 medium onions, thinly sliced. For the batter, prepare 1 cup of gram flour and 1/4 cup of rice flour, plus a pinch of baking soda. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 minced green chilies, and your favorite spices for that perfect flavor. Now let's get our hands dirty and prepare the bhajiya batter. In a large bowl, combine your shredded cabbage, sliced onions, and minced green chilies. Next, add the ginger garlic paste and all your dry spices, red chili powder, turmeric, and salt. Gradually incorporate the gram flour, rice flour, and baking soda. Mix everything thoroughly, adding just a few tablespoons of water if necessary, to achieve a thick, uniform consistency. It's time for the exciting part, frying our delicious bhajiyas. Heat cooking oil in a deep pan or kadai over medium heat until it's hot. Carefully drop small, irregular portions of the prepared batter into the oil. Remember to fry them in batches. This prevents overcrowding and ensures even cooking. Let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture. Once your bhajiyas are perfectly golden and crispy, carefully remove them from the oil. Place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil, ensuring they remain delightfully light. Serve these hot and fresh cabbage bhajiyas immediately to enjoy their incredible crunch and flavor. They pair wonderfully with a tangy mint chutney, a sweet tamarind chutney, or even a spicy tomato ketchup. Garnish with some fresh coriander leaves for an extra burst of freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.